Witam was wszyscy widzowie, a jednocześnie każdego z osobna. Kontynuujemy dzisiaj naszą przeprawę przez niezbyt przyjazne, śmierdzące, nieprzeciętne środowisko. Już Fraps, już z mety. Już musisz, nie? Musisz, tak? No już się, uspokój się, no już daj sobie spokój, na mnie to nie robi wrażenia. Ja już przywykłem do tego. Patrzcie go jaki, no patrzcie, no. Patrz. Dobra, zobaczymy kto dłużej wytrzyma, no. Tak, już, no. Taki twardy. Dobra, ewakuacja, onanizacja.
I think we stirred them up, Captain. We better get out of here soon. With luck, they're too busy putting out fires.
We take it as it comes. If it goes too far south, we got help from all
Gaszenie
sides.
pożarów, pożar to zaraz będzie dopiero. W rynsztaku. Ciepło. Wręcz gorąco. Call of Duty. Call of Duty nie porzuciłem mnie. Po prostu teraz czeka mnie zajebiście. Wymagająca zajebiście delikatnego i takiego dopieszczonego podejścia misja. Musi być długa, porządna gra wstępna. A potem dopiero się do niej można zabrać porządnie. A do tego jest wymagany odpowiedni humor, jakieś takie, prawda, czas, spokój. Nie mam tego w ostatnim czasie, ale to przyjdzie. A w Gostrychonie zajebne niewidzialność. I już mam. I mam spokój.
This is it, people, go! Watch it, they're moving! They got reinforcements inbound!
Co się kurwa dzieje? Co oni...
Moving to cover!
Właśnie oni go... Ja pierdolę. A o tym... Lody.
The bird is airborne, Hunter. Your international incident's on its way.
They're breaking down. Keep the pressure on. Moving, cover.
Fuck.
Right, they're moving right. Got it. LMG, right there. Dead ahead. We got this. Just don't get cocky.
No,
Hustle down.
się zaczynamy robić troszeczkę outnumbered.
Target down.
Kurwa, stańcie w miejscu, bo...
Contact, get ahead. We're in control. Let's finish it.
Dobra. Jeszcze sobie radzimy.
You're torn up. Take cover. It's a truck.
Fuck.
Moving. Terminate out. Copy. Terminate out. Flash.
A, kurwa. Naprawdę nic nie widzę.
Hostile down. By the bus shelter. Hostile with an assault rifle. Got one. I got a pin. Sensors up.
Fuck. Panowie. Ich brauche Hilfe. Fuck. O kurwa.
Move to cover. I'm suppressing. He's moving to cover. Left. Watch the left.
Wybaczcie wzmożoną liczbę bluzgów, ale
I'm empty.
rozumiecie chyba. Ja pierdolę.
We're getting it now.
Mam amunicji, 11 pocisków. Zastrzelę chłopa i koniec.
Target down.
Miał broń? O kurwa. To czapa. Koniec. Nawet emo nie ma. Ja pierdolę. Bierz, dobra, dobra.
Hunter strikes on the way. Guided in.
Ale z tym czołgiem są jakieś kurwa jaja. Jewaj go, jedziemy go. Dawaj, dobrze. Haha! Piękny. Predator zawsze pomocny. Już?
Took care of the weapon system.
Dobra.
We'll just have to wait and see what we
Ale
can
coś mu syrani w tym szambie, ja pierdylam. We did it. 70-18. Dobra, to dziękujemy, dobranoc. Nie. Jedziemy dalej. Czy była cutscena? Nie. Wczytywanie. Loading. Loading in progress. Naciśnij tab. Naciśnij tab. Naciśnij tab. Dron w trybie naziemnym jest prawie niewidoczny. No, dopóki ktoś na niego nie nadepnie. Cutscena!
Oh man, these things are so cool. Get a shot of this.
Like people get in it?
Yeah, no, for real, it's a phone, man. What do you think it does?
Sorry, man. For what?
It's from before they had. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. Hey, what's that? A weird-looking plane.
I don't think that's a plane, man.
No. Wait, did you keep filming it?
It's gonna get like 2 hits on the web. Watch it, man. Hey, watch out! Watch it! Ouch! Hey, stop the bus! Stop the bus!
Hey! Oh shit!
Dude, are you all right? Oh shit! Look at all that!
Shut it off, man! Quit filming!
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Shit!
Oh my god, bro!
Come on! This way! Go this way!
Look at that, dude! He's all fucked up, man!
Shut the damn camera off! Stop filming!
You can't!
Get off me!
You can't go out there!
Get off!
Stop! Watch out! Run, man! Run! Go!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Are you alright? Come on, man! Get up! Somebody help me! I need help here!
Satellite collision. That's the official line.
So what's the real story, sir? That's too much left standing for a nuke.
It was a nuke. Until our missile shield took the warhead out. Couldn't do anything about the delivery system.
Missile defense? Thought the program was a joke.
That would be called disinformation, Kozak. And the politicians get to worry about what it all means. You're going after the launch site.
Let me guess. Russians are claiming it ain't theirs. What? Just in time. Way to show.
The first intel we had on the launch came from Moscow. They're as surprised as we are. Looks like a rogue spear instead. Maybe even the same one you were hunting a few months back. But for right now, London's bleeding. And we've got unfinished business. We're on the brink here, gentlemen. That missile might not have been launched by the Russian government, but it came out of Russia.
No,
Whether
powiem
Richard
wam
is responsible for the
grubo.
launch or not, we believe they're behind
Grubie
it.
chyba być nie
We're
mogło.
going for Volodin's replacement. Momentum is building and it's not
Cholera.
going We're not in position to do much about Russian politics. We'll have to go where we can do some good instead. Trajectory analysis puts the launch site in Dagestan, just east of the Georgian border.
Dagestan.
Georgian Spec Ops unit was deployed to investigate, but they dropped contact and disappeared near the target zone. We've agreed to help the Georgians recover their team.
Dobra,
With luck, we'll find some answers too.
dobra. Dobra. Znajdź i uratuj Gruzinów. Zdobądź dotyczące zapalenia. Grigori Saakaszwili.
You'll be moving from open woods into tight spaces in town, which means 2 sets of engagement ranges. Once you get up in those buildings, a shotgun's gonna be your best.
Dobra,
weapon.
synu.
On the trees, I'd go with an
Jeszcze nie
assault
wypowiadaj.
rifle with a heartbeat sensor.
Ja już tam. Toście mi zmontowali? Tłumik, strumik. Ale celownik dobry. Las mówicie, las. Vegas. Dobra. Ja to już wolę podwójny nasz. Logika. No, raczej. Czynnik bycia serca. Po co mi takie gówno? Co to jest Call of Duty? Raczej nie. Standardowe już. Nie bądźmy tacy, kurna. O. No. A to bym coś z tłumiczkiem. AP-90. Wszystko ładne, tylko... O. Może ewentualnie. Taki nieogarnięty, nie w temacie nie może być. Dawaj! Walki miejskie, tylko będzie bliżej do tych wcześniejszych, chociaż zobaczymy, jak to będzie wyglądało ogólnie, jeśli chodzi o krajobraz. Devil hunting. Co tu się dzieje?
Overlord, hunters in position prepping to infiltrate. We've got multiple search teams operating in the area.
Overlord copies. The Georgian team has men alive out there, but we haven't been able to establish contact yet. We'll keep working it from our end.
Copy that. We'll move to the team's last known location. Update us when you
No
know
ładnie.
something.
Will do.
Hunter out.
Dotrzyj do Gruzinów. Dobrze.
Moving. Camo activated.
O, to już wolę.
If you gotta engage,
Wybierając
do it quietly.
termowizję.
We don't want to tip them off.
Aha, a teraz mi mówicie, że się mamy skradać. Bierzesz sobie wziął narzędzia permanentnego z...
They've got a mounted gun set up here. In that tower. They're looking your way, watch. Hostile with an RPG. Over there on our left. Up on that roof there. Move in position.
Dobra.
Second target. Marking the third. And he's number 3. Target 4.
Nie wiem, czy to się
Anyone
uda,
you
powiem
are?
szczerze.
On your word.
Go.
Kill confirmed.
Careful. They're looking your way.
Camo activated.
Graficznie zajebiście.
Reloading.
Dwóch. Dwóch.
Ready to fire.
2 marked.
Ryzykowne, ale spróbujemy.
Marking number 4.
On your shot.
Careful, Lucas. That's a confirmed kill. Watch it, they're looking your way.
Mikołaj dzisiaj gra. Z
30.
ogniem.
Mark it. Mark the target 3. On your go.
Ready when you are.
On your shot.
Jeszcze by tego trzeba było.
That's 4.
Dobra, panowie, ja go zdejmę.
On your word.
No kurna.
All right, on me.
Idealnie to wyszło. A Gruziny? Aha, dobra.
Camo active.
Aż tak lepiej nie lotajmy. Nam zaraz tu kto wyskoczy i będzie płacz. Dobra. Płacz i zgrzytanie zębów. Jakaś mucha mi wleciała chyba, czy inny skubaniec. Jep. Będziemy bryczem clearować drzewa.
Take a knee, gentlemen. Check your gear.
Hunter, we've got contact with the Georgian team. Stand by, we'll patch in.
Copy that.
This is Sergeant Osadze from Team Zamtari.
Sergeant Osadze, this is Ghost Lead. We're coming to get you.
Your ghost?
That's affirmative.
My oldest brother served with your team many years ago. He always spoke very highly of you.
We'll try to live up to it, sir. What's your team's status?
I'm oldest last, and the Russians are close.
We've got a fix on your location. We're on the way.
See you soon.
Let's go, Ghost.
Dobra. Świnia Frap znowu próbuje nam zniszczyć Apache.
Interference here.
Może nie uda.
Overlord, what's the issue?
Unknown, Hunter. Could be the terrain. We'll see if we can clean it up.
Copy that. We're en route to the package. Hunter out. Camo activated.
Aha, nie możemy biegać. Ej. Jest w tej ścianie coś takiego, że wygląda jak prawdziwa. Nie wiem o co chodzi, ale jest w niej jakiś fotorealizm niemożliwy. To jest zajebiste. To jest had nam zniknął. Mogę biegać?
Sergeant, what's your status?
I'm in contact! Pulling back! With multiple hostiles in pursuit!
We're on our way. We've got
O,
to the
Grigory, już idziemy. No, tu się już nie będziemy opieprzać w tłumiki.
Copy.
chociaż.
Sergeant, what's the status? Building south end of a courtyard. Second floor. They're trying to reach.
Hold on, we're almost to you.
Got another one here. To our left. Ready. Open fire.
Spróbujemy po cichu. Może niekoniecznie trzeba będzie robić massive...
On our 9.
A, gówno.
Target eliminated. Got
That was subtle.
Też chcę teraz się pobawić.
Tug it down. I got a man. Moving, cover. Hostile moving. Hostile 9 o'clock. Hostile near the crane.
O!
With an assault rifle. Keep it up.
Sowiecki bandyto.
Hostile down. Reloading. Crack one.
There's one by that car.
Okej.
We're clear.
Panie osadzę, idziemy po pana.
Osatse, do you copy? Sergeant Osatse. Osatse, do you read?
Co to tak jebło?
Overlord, we've
Oh,
lost
shit.
contact with the VIP.
Left, on the left. Hostile transport, wanted.
I'm suppressing.
Tom se kawera wybrał. Zajebistego.
I'm moving to cover.
Lepszego się nie dało.
Right, on your right. You're in the building. Assault rifle.
Co to pociski już nie penetrują? Jeśli nieznanych mi przyczyn.
Cal, we got this. Watch their left, they're flanking. Got you.
Kurwa.
Take him out.
Nailed one.
Got it.
They're repositioning.
To czysto.
We got it now. I gotta reload.
A ja w auto piorę.
3 o'clock.
Żeby to nie jebło.
Moving, cover.
Fuck, nie w plecy, gnoju. Panowie, panowie.
Get this cover, move.
Cholera, no. Dzięki, kolego.
Running out of options. Get on them. Hostile 9 o'clock. Ah. Yeah. Hostile down.
Straight ahead.
Dalej, wale w to.
Hostile with an assault rifle. I'm trying.
Ja pierniczę, amunicja
Contact,
wyszła.
12 o'clock.
I'm on the move.
Smoked them.
Kleja, kleja, everywhere. No,
Overlord, Hunter confirmed. VIP's not here.
Camera going up.
o, opie. Powiem, że optymalizacja trochę leży. Gra zwalnia w takich momentach, kiedy no, nie powinna.
Something's way wrong here. See, this is why I don't trust anything with batteries.
Ale 13 sierpnia wyjdzie patch, mam nadzieję, że już tam
Don't get distracted.
wszystko poprawi. Pewnie wtedy, jak ja już grę ukończę.
That's it. We're clear.
Go time! Move it! Scratch one! Hostile 1 o'clock! Assault rifle there!
That one's down.
Zasadzka!
We've got a read on the VIP. They're moving him to a church.
No ładnie, ładnie.
Copy that, Overlord. Fall
To
in.
trochę wam ciula to wyszło.
I hope we didn't come all this way just to get a good man killed.
Dead or alive, we're taking him home.
Skrzętny luk. under the door.
Mine too.
Jestem zhakowany?
What?
Co to?
Colback, any adjustments you can make locally?
Nothing that would help. Something about this place.
Gruzińskie klimaty.
Watch